Holy crap, man. I'm driving, man driving. Got over here on the edge of the swamp. Jumped up a nice buck. I shot. And I had to go try and find it. I don't even know if I hit it. But my camera was on my gun. I lost it. It came off during the shooting. But I got my cell phone. Alright, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Let's go look for it. Okay. He went over this way. He ran right towards this tree stand over there. It looked like a nice buck. Holy crap, there he is. What is it? Holy smokes! Oh. Whoa. Whoa, 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 that's a nice buck. Woo! Look at that. Nice. What is it? 1, 2, 8-pointer or 7? 7-pointer. Oh yeah! Nice. Man, that thing got up 20 yards in front of me. Took off hauling it. Whew. There it is. Man driving, jumped him in the cutover. He let me get 20 yards from him before he took. Wow, nice 7-pointer. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get out there, go hunt. All right, so I gutted the buck and bringing him, floating him down this swamp. It's a lot easier. It's so far back up in here. So we're just going, how deep it is. Just keep floating him. We'll get there eventually. Deep. All right, there's the buckshot. Nice, that's the exit.
No, because it looked like it was coming to the skin though, didn't it?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to him.
What's that?
This back.
His backbone.
Look at that.
Not there anymore.
It's crazy. Or, yeah, I don't know what happened.
Hey, that was a deer I shot last year.
There's the Sykl Power Bikes Mule 750. Got us a 7-pointer today, and very happy. I did use the bike to get back in there quietly, snuck back and was able to jump this guy as I was man driving. So, got it done. And everything packs up in the bike if you had to. Put all the meat in the bags and carry them on out. Very nice. All right, there it is. Sykl Power Bikes. Got a buck on the back. That's what I'm talking about. Remember, get outdoors, in the woods, go hunt. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.